The best part about 2023 is not much has changed in relation to the team in the Philippines. Everybody who was in the team in 2022 is still here in 2023, and we have one new addition with Bianca helping out on the phones. What that means is our clients are getting a consistent service, they're getting experienced staff who know how to manage their files, and that means the process through to settlement is really smooth. From a Sydney perspective, there has been a few changes, and we've increased the number of mortgage brokers. Coming here last year, we had 3 mortgage brokers, and we've doubled that. We now have 6 mortgage brokers, half of which are female, all with a ton of experience, and it's just made that clients have so many options of who they can work with and find a broker that suits their style of lending.
Today we did a team building exercise which was just amazing. It's just so nice to spend quality time with the whole team all together. My takeaway was that communication is key. I think we do things very, very well here at Birdie, and I think communication is always top notch. But today just reinforced it. Having the whole team together, it's being face to face. I think the strength that you gain from that as a team is phenomenal, and I can't wait to take it back to the office.